How to unforget a Bluetooth device on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings. Then click on Bluetooth and Device Connection. If you don't find it, go to search bar and type in Bluetooth, turn on your Bluetooth. And then if you have removed or unforgetted Bluetooth device, go to pair a device. In here you will find the same Bluetooth device you disconnected earlier. Simply click on the Bluetooth device you disconnected earlier and then it will pair again, but make sure your Bluetooth device is turned on and is visible. This is how to unforget a Bluetooth device on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.